Hi all, thank you very much for clicking on the video. I do apologise for the audio at the beginning of my video. This is recorded on my GoPro. I have turned the audio up in the editing, so hopefully you can still hear me a little bit. The audio after this, the footage after this, should I say, is on my other camera. So enjoy. And warning to everyone watching the video, please do not enter abandoned buildings such as this. They can be very dangerous, falling apart, collapsing and all sorts. This building wasn't that dangerous, but there are collapsing areas, holes in the floors, etc. It is very dangerous and you should not be doing it. Trespass is a civil offence in the UK and it is not illegal, but you can be arrested if the police believe you have broken in and you're committing burglary with intent. So be warned. don't mind, the GoPro's keep rolling. You know what, I might actually fix my that's from the GoPro ahead of you. Oh right, I've got my 64 gig memory card, don't count. I say about memory card, I've got memory card. Oh shit. SD card back in my camera, but I just found my 64 gig one. So I can still video. Yeah, try that intro again. So here we're Super Pop Bryan and Charlie and a very large, oh no, disgusting. Leave. I'm not looking at that toilet again.
Do you want BT?
Abandoned mansion.
Do you want some BT?
You're going up here, aren't you?
Huh? Yeah, he's trying to turn up here. Just go through the glass.
And
Let's go stay ways.
everyone who has been here, all I'm going to say is if you know,
Where have you gone, Charlie?
you know.
Wait, I wouldn't miss me. It goes like that way. What the fuck? Wait, it's bigger than before. Why do you go into the kitchen?
I'm going to do my video first and I'll do my pictures.
Oi, oi.
Oh my god.
Cunt. Cunt, my favourite.
Seriously. How many kitchens does this bloke need?
Wait, that is a smoke grenade. That's the one that I've got.
Yeah, someone's done a smoke grenade.
I'm not doing a smoke grenade here, no way.
Shout out to the smoke grenaders. Why trash a bookcase? What's the point of trashing a bookcase? So where's that fucking swimming pool and shit? Or what's with the stupid graffiti? Chloe Urbex is a fat...
You see those?
Oh my god. Wait, Chloe Urbex is a fat slob. Go die, obese girl. Delete your channels, fatty.
Chloe Urbex?
Really? I've got her on my list.
I like Chloe Urbex.
Yeah, I like her videos as well. That's... Really? If you wrote this, or you're watching this video and you wrote this, you're a prick.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So anyway, carrying on. Very disrespectful.
If you're watching this video, I highly doubt it.
Well, I know she's on my list, so shout out to Chloe anyway.
I need a new broom actually. Here, Mum, I found you a new broom.
Shout out to Chloe if you're watching the video, because you're getting slagged off, and you know where you've been here. We know where you've been here, because I watched your video.
This is bonkers.
This is bigger than the one we went and fucking zoos. I'll do the pictures. Fucking bastard! Fuck's sake!
Did you make you jump?
You're as bad as Callum.
Right, swear down. If don't make me jump, because I will scream the loudest. Not lying. What is this?
Whoa.
Oh, that's one of them things where you take up what?
Oh my god.
What's this?
It just gets bigger and bigger and fucking bigger. Awesome skylight there.
I'm glad that fell down when it did. There's books galore in this place.
Last time I watched a video of this place, it was not trashed. This has been so wrecked.
That's a big bathroom.
Where's that fucking multicoloured bathroom? Oh my god. What's the point of trashing the fireplace, man?
How big's that bathroom?
How many freaking bathrooms do they need? Is that the Stars and Stripes one?
That is a bit of an eyesore, I'm not going to lie.
Is that the Star and Stripe one?
It's like loads of random circles.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
There's another level, by the way.
Where's that Stars and Stripes bathroom then? Was that a different mansion?
We shall, yeah, we're back to the start. There's another floor. No, just that's
Dickens, with the fuck?
Oh, yeah, there's
Another bathroom, Jesus Christ. How much bigger does this...
I don't like that.
How much bloody bigger does this get? Whoa. Dangerous floor.
Cinema room, I'll take it.
Oh my god.
Maybe cinema room.
Holy shit.
Thinking of a cinema room.
Definitely a cinema room.
Good man, I think Burger on works.
Well, the guy was a film director.
Wow. What's that?
Oh, nice.
It's a big bathroom.
Nice. Very nice.
It's a big bathroom.
Very nice.
I like this curved door.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, Bryan Forbes.
Bryan Forbes.
Big bathroom. Pea washer. Goldie taps.
Wow.
Do you know what? Now I feel privileged to come in.
Nice bathroom, man.
66k. No, attached. Don't go back off.
Very nice. Damn. We didn't get a great photo over here, I reckon.
Huh?
We should get a great photo setting over there. We'll all sit over there and do it. Yeah, we'll get a photo in here. Get a photo in here. This be a good photo shot.
Am I doing?
This be a nice group photo right here.
Yeah, sure. When I first walked in that door, it was just going to drop. I was like, oh my god, I'm going to big fire. Shh. Well, security knows we're in there.
Yeah. I wanted a swimming pool.
Not such that.
Oh my fucking god.
He's got it.
That
big lifts up as well.
Does that open up?
Yeah, you're standing on it.
Should we go this way? My penis.
Does it go back anymore?
See you later.
Will you open the basement?
Oh look, 20p. Daily profit. Here goes petrol money. He's just gone into my arse crack.
It smells like damn down. Oh, is that getting on project?
What's down there?
I don't know, I ain't got down yet. Lots of spiders. Good start.
Shout out to this guy, this geezer right here. Give us your channel name, you know you want it.
It's from Vez.
There's electric down here, but I don't really want to turn it on because it's water.
Yeah. Well, what's fucking down there then?
I think there's a swimming pool in here.
Isn't
It must be the other mansion.
basement,
Is it just a basement?
alcohol, is
Wine cellar.
Alcohol.
That must be the other mansion then.
Yeah, it must be.
really?
don't know.
Oh, there you are, Charlie. The light turned on down there, and I was like, what the fuck is Charlie?
What was that? Fuck. Hey, why did I just see another voice? Where's that voice coming from?
These lights turn.
Yeah, I just had to turn them off. I had to run around and turn them off as soon as I hit there.
Alright. Give us a little whirl. What the fuck is that? What are you doing?
That should be the screen. Comes down at the end. It went up, but it don't come down.
Where's the screen at exactly?
Here.
Oh, this thing here. I think it's stuck.
Yeah, that's there. There's the screen.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I think the screen. Do these lights work though?
Yeah, all the lights were up. I've just turned all the electrical.
Go on, give us a whirl.
So it's a very clever idea.
Oh, Jesus Christ! You're stuck, that's why. That's the most scariest sound I've heard
That's
in my
pushing
life.
it. Leave that on there and that's going up anyway. Yeah, I just put the electrical.
I've never been in the cinema room, this is mad.
Cool.
Who is 66k?
Don't know.
Electrocuted.
Fucking do that. Where's the lights for in there?
Huh?
There was lights in there, wasn't there?
Yeah, they're all on the wall.
Oh, you don't see it. Oh, right.
Oh, we haven't been upstate, have we? Yeah, turn them off, turn them off.
That's fucking mad.
Right.
They're fucking stuck there.
We haven't been upstairs, have we?
I just want to get a picture of all the lights on. Come to the cinema room. And then turn all the lights on.
Hey, my god.
Now.
There's nothing upstairs. What,
Oh,
there's
yeah.
there's nothing upstairs?
Don't think so. Charlie, you make me jump and I'm going to fucking end your career. Fuck's sake. I better point my camera to.
Oh yeah, we've got it there, haven't we?
Yeah. I better get my camera on me just in case he makes me jump. Content. Oh my god. Fucking. Charlie, I've got you a golden ticket.
Where the fuck is it?
These.
You're a fucking pound kilometres.
Charlie. Well, this kitchen's pretty sick though.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
I'll tell you. Oh, this is it then.
And where are we heading?
Where's the swimming pool? Would it be honest then?
In the basement.
Is that where we need to go? Whoa, wow.
Where's he going? Where are you going?
Just getting some footage of like the other rooms and shit.
I don't know if I where that other bloody bathroom is.